Hello, I'm in a 2008 Ford Escape and I'm going to show you today how to open this hood. So first we'll go down to this lever. You should feel a little resistance as you pull and hear like a pop. So it should be unhooked now. So you can see the back side of this. There's like this cord here. You see it? Yeah, there it is. This cable here should have a little bit of tension and should be attached. So if that cable is missing for some reason, you might need to find it and reattach it and tighten it however you need. So at this point we'll go up to the front. And then most vehicles have a lever somewhere in like the middle that you pull. So it is right here. So we're going to push it that way and then pull up. So push. That's it, and you can use the stick up here so you don't have to hold it with your hand. But otherwise, that's what it was hooked onto with this. So that's what I basically pulled over. If this is caught up for some reason, you might need a WD-40 or something straightened out if it's a little off center. Some way to get it to loosen up though for you. Worst case, these parts are pretty cheap. But otherwise, I hope this video was helpful. Hope you have a great day.